Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Taplio post boosts. So here I am inside the Taplio app and I've opened a draft that I had in my schedule previously. And I'm going to head over to the boost tab, and basically here are all the automated actions I can do with a LinkedIn post I've sent through Taplio. The first one is to schedule a comment. This is especially useful if, for example, you want to share the link to something you have mentioned in your post and to send it as the first comment of your post. So what I'm going to do here is to send in a delay that is immediate after when Taplio sends my post. And then here I have a comment that is already pre-filled based on the last time I've used this feature. So here I shared a link to an article I mentioned, so I'm going to stay with this one. And you can see here a preview of how it's going to look below your post inside of LinkedIn. Okay, so that's it for the scheduled comments. Now let's talk about the auto-replies. So basically here you will be able to auto-reply to people leaving comments under your post. So here you can see I have inputted something in this field. So this is the max numbers of replies that you are setting for this feature on your post. We recommend keeping it below 25 so that it doesn't look like spammy behavior to LinkedIn and it stays human. So in my case, I'm going to limit it to 10. And basically what this helps to do is to improve the viability of your LinkedIn post by auto-replying to everyone who is commenting on your post to make sure you don't miss one. Or it can be especially useful if you want to trigger basically a comment sharing a resource that you have talked in your LinkedIn post. So let's say I've asked people to comment DM to receive a DM on my side with a resource I've shared. What I can do here is use the DM trigger keyword and answer, hey, I've just sent you a DM with the resource I promised. So this way, people will know that you are doing the action you promised. And here you can see the preview that you have under your post. Okay, so that's for the auto-replies. But there is also the auto-DM, and you can pair it with auto-replies like in the example I just shared. So let's say I hinted in my post to share a resource that people need to comment the post to get. I can decide which trigger basically sends the DM to the user that has commented or liked the post. So in my case, I'm just going to select replied to my post. The number of maximum replies I'm going to leave empty. And then the DM content, I'm going to basically here input something like here is the presentation about SEO I've talked about in my post. And so here I'll be able to also preview what it's going to look like in the inbox of the people I'm sending it to. Alright, so that's it, covering all the boosts you can find inside of the Taplio Composer. I hope you found it useful, and see you in the next video. Bye!